Good afternoon. We'll continue to see temperatures seesawing for the rest of the week and also the weekend. After the cold winds of today, we're going to see much milder winds coming in from the west or southwest during tonight and again tomorrow, but then much colder air coming through for Friday and certainly for the weekend. And so we'll see temperatures by Monday still up to around 3 to 6 in more northern areas, and for England and Wales we're looking at temperatures of closer to 7 or 8. Now, those cold winds today are going to bring a spell of snow from mid-afternoon to midnight through parts of Scotland and over the higher ground of northern England. We can see that snow coming into western and central Scotland during this afternoon and then into eastern parts of Scotland later this evening and by midnight. And then it clears out into the North Sea and we see that much milder weather with its rain across the country tomorrow. Now, the snow is ahead of these fronts here, but they'll clear away quite quickly eastwards tomorrow. We'll be in a warm sector, but this little frontal system here will give us some heavier spells of rain later tomorrow. So for this afternoon, we start to see that snow coming into parts of western and central Scotland, a little bit over the higher ground of northern England, some thicker cloud down across the west with some patchy rain. But in many eastern areas, it's going to be dry and at times fairly bright, but it will be cold in those blustery northwest winds. Temperatures only around 4 or 5 at best, but we'll see the milder weather coming into the extreme southwest later. So this evening we see the heaviest of the snow through western and central Scotland, tricky driving conditions for the rush hour. Then by midnight it gets into eastern Scotland, but by the end of the night we see it out into the North Sea, and with that milder air coming in we will see a thaw leading to mist and fog over the higher ground, and that thicker cloud just giving a little bit of patchy light rain further south. So we'll see quite mild weather over many western and central areas by the end of the night, temperatures around 6 or 7, and even in the east temperatures up to around 3 or 4 by dawn. So for tomorrow then, we start off with a lot of cloud and still some rain across many northern areas, a little bit of brightness in central parts of England and Wales. And then we go into the afternoon, we'll see a thicker band of cloud coming in with heavier spells of rain into the west, but just look at those temperatures, around 8 to 10 Celsius. Now on Friday we'll see this cold front clear the rain away, then we see some very strong blustery northwest winds coming in, those bringing some quite heavy showers, particularly of snow over Scotland, and we'll see drifting of that snow in those strong winds, but we will see some much brighter weather as we head south and east on Saturday. Bye bye for now.